What's up, Bittorrent holder? What's going on this time? BTT price will pumps up now, so I think it's not a short pump. Absolutely, this is very huge pump now, my friend, and everybody knows this too. After a dump, every coin will pumps up. So let's get start the brand video, my friend. In this video, I will predicate this coin. I will give you some very special information about BTT. So please, also, I'm going to at the end of this video share opinion now. So please, you will need, my friends, to research personally because this is not a financial video. So please try to understand now. Research personally because I have no responsibility, my friend, from you. So this time you can see here plus 3.69%. You can see here in the last 24 hours they will pumps up. I think it's not a short pump and not a temporary pump. It's a permanent pump and it's a very long huge pump because at the end of month every coin will starting moving upward. So therefore I hope to BTT will also moving upward and they will never fails down. But everybody know this, my friends, to every coin will moving in this circulation to after a huge jump they will dumps down, and after a dumps they will pumps up. So therefore please try to understand to if they were face down for a short time, this is does not mean to you are starting selling. Yes, a lot of holders are doing very huge mistake, my brothers, to when they see the short dump, absolutely they will starting urgently starting selling. So therefore I think they were doing very huge mistakes. So kindly you will need to be safe from the loss. If you want to be safe from the loss, now follow my advices. I'm 100% sure, my friend, to if you follow my advices, my opinion, absolutely you will get a profit, you will never lost. So my friend, in those days I'm 100% sure, my friends, to in upcoming time the price will pump up because at the end of month every coin will completely go to the moon now. So therefore BTT will also get up and go to the moon. But if a holder are starting investing, if a market cap is going good now, otherwise my friends BTT price will also fails down like others. So thanks for watching, BTT coin holders. What you doing? Please tell me in a comment box. What's your opinion? Tell me in a comment box. This is very important for me and for all holders to understand better now. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time. Don't forget to like video and don't forget to subscribe channel.